Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning your crosshair where you expect opponents. This reduces recovery time when you stop. Once done, strafe and then tap the opposite movement key to counter strafe. This cancels velocity instantly and resets accuracy. Make sure to hold the walk modifier when you need minimal sound. That lowers footstep range and keeps you stealthy. Practice the timing slowly at first, then speed up until your stop becomes muscle memory. It's the fastest way to combine movement with accurate peaks. Once you can counter strafe, focus on the how. Control the length of your strafe bursts so counter strafes land when your crosshair points at target height. Then, make sure to fire within the first shot window. The game grants peak accuracy immediately after velocity hits 0. Practice with bots at varied distances to see spread and adjust mouse sensitivity if your crosshair drifts. By refining these elements together, you lock accuracy with movement and consistently win duels. Finish by integrating the stop into game scenarios. Rehearse 10 controlled stops per side at 3 distances, then move it into live rounds. If things go wrong, troubleshoot the usual suspects. High ping, conflicting keybinds causing missed counterstrafes, or mouse acceleration altering precision, fix those first. Once resolved, make sure to reposition after the shot to avoid trade damage. Keep varying angles and distances so your stop works under pressure. Then repeat until it's automatic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.